Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to stream Netflix on Discord. So first of all, open your browser and click on this three dot, settings, and search here hardware acceleration, and here you find this hardware acceleration option. So you have to disable this option from here, and now make sure to open your Netflix and start to play something on Netflix, and go to your Discord and open the server where to stream your Netflix, and then click on general voice channels, click on share, click on Chrome tab, and here select your Netflix tab and make sure to check this option share tab audio and click on share. And here we can see I've successfully started streaming my Netflix on Discord. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.